You know that I want is just one little thing.
Sige. 2K lang. Naglalag daw. 2K lang. 2K lang naman. Sige, 1080 na lang. 1080. Sobrang ganda ng message niya. Yeah, ang ganda ng message ng love letter. Legit yung billiards, guys. Ako may gawa niyan. I'm proud. I'm proud. So proud.
I know it's hard to see each other, but I'm hoping that you come and knock on my door.
There's nothing better than being home with you, and I would give my best. You know I'm all in.
My favorite season of the year. Fall to spring, bring me memories. From this white Christmas,
Take your favorite
pajamas. Let's fall into love and dream.
And then she finds the love letter.
Love letter, babe, you know I love you a lot. Love letter, I can feel your heavenly heart. Let us know holding long.
Wait, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay.
It's like sugar sweet and love.
Nasa likod. Pwede ko na ba sabihin? Sino yung nasa likod?
It's like sugar.
Ito, yung nasa likod na spray. Pwede ko ba yun sabihin? Si Ate Abby yun. Si Ate Abby. Huwag kayo maingay, ha? Quiet lang kayo, ha? You didn't hear it from me! You didn't hear it from me! Baka may behind the scenes. Let's see sa behind the scenes. Sana may kita.
Sweet and love. What a beautiful white girl. So adorable. Underneath the Christmas tree.
Okay, this one, serious mode. So, nawala na yung fogginess. Nawala na yung white filter on. Hindi na siya brown. Ano na siya? Futuristic vibes na siya. Wait. Okay. Sorry. Ano daw? Yan Ano na siya? Competitive na siya. So, racing. Go-kart. Ang saya niyan. Kwento ko later. Ang saya niyan kasi first time ko mag-go-kart. So, ako, todo racing girl naman ako niya. Ang saya! Super saya.
I'll be waiting for you, baby. Santa, that's my only wish this year. Make my wish come true, the magic in the air. Oh, the snow outside, it's falling tonight. Love letter, babe, you know I love you a lot. Love letter, I can feel your heavenly heart.
May diba, letter. May letter siyang, thank you, Mark, for the fest pop. Ian, for the heart me, and Rishin. Thank you, guys. Thank you for sending gifts. Oh, yes.
Let us know the love is
Everybody's writing. Everyone's writing.
like sugar sweet and love. What a beautiful white girl, so adorable.
You see that? You see that scene? So, nung una, kita nyo, si Fenny-san and si Faye.
Love letter, I can feel your
Siyempre, by partner lang.
heavenly
Sila yung,
heart.
parang, andyan naman yung member, but busy, may ibang ginagawa, or may iniiwasang or something. I don't know.
Let us know the love is like sugar sweet and love. What a beautiful white girl, so adorable.
Hindi kami nagpapansinan kahit magkasama na kami.
Underneath the mistletoe, I'll be waiting for you.
Iyak yarn. Totoo yung iyak ko dyan, guys, ha. Alam niyo, nung nagsha-shoot kami, si Ate Abby, sabi ni Ate Abby sa akin, Cole, anong background music mo? Sabi ko yung River Flows in You. Umiyak siya, umiyak talaga siya. Legit yung cry ko dyan. Kasi, parang in the story is like, I want to go back. I want to go back to how things used to be. Yun, yung past na masaya, magkakasama, ganyan. Thank you, Sandy. Na nagbabonding kami. Tas yung future, yung present was that everybody's busy. We're all competing. We're all busy with our own lives, ganyan. And then, yun, we're in a competition with each other. Parang we're racing for whatever goal we want to achieve. And then, it's a wake-up call. Sorry. Sige. Tuloy natin.
안 변했다면 so doing so
Na it's not, parang it's a wake-up call na, uy, it's not, parang, that's not, it's a wake-up call that you shouldn't take for granted what you have right now. Ganon. Thank you, Mark, for the fest pop. Thank you, guys. Yes. Ayun. So, the floor is open to the Q&A na. Kung may tanong kayo, magtanong lang. What is Quad Lips? Kakabalik ko lang kasi sa MNL48. Quad Lips is a global unit of AKB, of the 48 group. So, thank you, Fries. Atlas Media, guys. Si Sir Aslan. So good. What was I saying? Quad Lips is a global subunit of the 48 group. So, there's MNL48, BNK48 Fame, JKT48 Fenisan, and KLP48 Mashiro. Initially, we had SKE48 Hinano Aomi. Yes. So adorable. Next. Oh, sige, go. Anong? Any other question? Go. We have other songs too. Thank you. Sana makita ko din kayo ulit. Mabilis lang ako lumuha, guys. Like, nung sinabi ko, iiyak ka, iyak. Siguro mga 15, the most. 15 to 30. Kambal ko pala yun. Alin? Saan? Sino nanalo sa race? Wala. I think, parang wala naman. Matagal ako umiyak kasi there were many angles. I don't know. Pwede ka pala maging actress? Oh, yes. Pwede niya nakakunin. As actress. Actress. Pagkasabi naman ng cut, na-cut naman agad. Hello, Papa Gishi. Thank you. Sa inyo ba yung clothes? Because it's like your own styles talaga. Penny-san was the one who chose this for us. These outfits. Legit. Wait nga. Titignan ko nga. Ay, dagdagan nyo yan. Put stylist. And concept. And Nissan helped a lot with this production, guys. No joke. No joke. You're really fitting yung mga fits nyo. Oh, thank you. Bakit Mashiro is separated? It's a welcome. It's a welcome. It's her, like, syempre dapat may sarili siyang shot. Kasi we have a lot of MVs already. So she has her own. Wow, ang ganda ni Masher. Ganun. Ilan na po songs nyo, Coley? Quad Lips has Catch Me, Kiss Me, Overdrive, Checklist, Lipstick, Lip Gloss, wow. Wings Grow Back, IDGA, and Love Letter, 8. Yes, we have 8 songs. The what? What happened? Alin? Time frame shoot, when did it happen? The what? Recent lang. Recent lang. Ask ko lang po, is Quadlips international group? Walang local feel. Wala, yes. Quadlips is an international girl group. Kayo, thoughts nyo here, guys. I like it. I like it so much. It's so Quadlips. Alam nyo ba, yung tinutugtog ko dyan, All of Me? Ay, mahal ko o mahal ako. Kasi, pwede na ba i-vote sa mix yan? Pwede na ba? I'm not sure. Baka you guys can vote for it now on mix.
Babe, you
Ano? Ano yan?
know I love you a lot. Love letter, I can feel your heavenly heart. Let us know all day long. It's like sugar sweet and love. What a beautiful white world. So
Tapos, ang daming, feather sa loob ng pillow. Ano daw, grabe dance intro na love letter ni Faye. Magulat kami. Thank you, Papa Jishi. Sawadee-ka. Kapwa na ka. Bakit feather? Oh, may feather yan eh. Yun talaga pag pillow fight. Kunyari nasisira yung unan, ganon.
you know that I want is just one little thing. I know it's hard to see each other, but
Ako nagturo sa kanila niyan. Narak maklay. Kapwa na ka. Sige, panoorin nyo. Stream it, guys. Ang
hoping
ganda.
that you come and knock on my door. There's nothing better than being home with you, and I would give my best. You know I'm all in. My favorite season of the year. Fall to spring, bring me memories. From this white Christmas, like your favorite pajamas. Let's fall into love.
Ang ganda nung ng continuity niya. Kanang tour mag-billiards? Yes! Busy si Penny pa kailangan pa sunduin ni Penny. Oo nga eh. Ano daw?
Love letter, babe, you know I love you a lot. Love letter, I can feel your heavenly heart. Let us know all day long. It's like sugar sweet and love. What a beautiful white world, so adorable.
Ang sakit niyan sa lalamunan. Ang sakit niya sa lalamunan.
Underneath the Christmas tree, I'll be waiting for you, baby. Santa, that's my only wish this year. Make my wish come true, the magic in the air. Oh, the snow outside, it's pouring tonight. Love letter, babe, you know I love you a lot.
So dun sa love letter na yon. Yes, it's go-kart. Yun yung extreme sports yung go-kart. ano lang, tamed lang siya kasi mabagal kami. Magpatakbo dun sa MV. Pero nung real life, we actually went really, really, really fast. Trinay ko nga mag-drift eh. Nahirapan ako. Papracticing ko yun. Meron. We don't know what's the next extreme sports. Nag-go-kart pa rin, like competing, yeah. We're like so busy with each other's lives, like it's too fast paced and we're overtaking each other, yes. First MV ni yeah. First MV ni Mashiro San. It's just a metaphor though. We're trying to outpace each other. And we're busy with our own lives. Wrestling, naku po. Let's see.
Later, I can feel your heavenly heart. Let us know the love. It's like sugar sweet and love. What a beautiful white world, so adorable. Underneath the mistletoe, I'll be waiting for you.
At first though, di ko gets but my go-kart sa Christmas. Sana nga may BTS. I hope so. Let's see. Office Cup. Hey. Si ano? Sorry. Stig. Wait. Wait. Hold up. Wait. Hey, Slay. Image video, magkaka-perf and actual MV pa daw yan. Yes, ayan o, image video siya. It's not music video yet. Kasi wala pa yung sayaw, wala pa yung lip syncing. So it's not a music video yet. But let's see. I like it. Stream, guys. Stream Love Letter. Whoa, jump scare. Ganda. Stream Love Letter. And guys, yung outfits ba is chill, comfy, or tigis ganda. The pajamas was really comfy. Yari, ba't tahimik to? Ang alin? Nag-chat ako. Wait lang. Multitasking ako, guys. Okay. Yan na talaga dinner mo, ya. Kasi gusto ko ng matulog. Vote for Cold PFC campaign. Yes, guys, you can vote for me on the Google Forms for... Ayun, kay Jamie. Finals. Last na, yes. Tomorrow na yung results, I think. Nagbabalo ata si Jaime ah. Last na. Last na today. Alright. Sana ano. Let's see. Ano na pala i-post? Pag nakapasok ako sa Enbatso, guys, required kayo gawin yung PFC, ha? Ano yan? Loko to si Pink. Ay, nako. Ang kalat. Napakakalat. Te, follow na nga kita. Sige, maganda yan. Alright, yes. Thank you, Moshblade. Thank you guys for all your hard work on this campaign. Hindi ako mag-live hanggang 12. The vote is for top 16 members. Form daw. Nasaan yung forms? Hello. Nang alin ba yun? Of year, all year. Feel like all the world is so ready to love. It's perfect Christmas. Don't wanna let go. Wait lang. Ala, nag-send na. Okay. So, asan na? Yes, thank you. Ganda.
I've been waiting for this time of year all year. Feel like all the world is so ready to love. It's perfect Christmas. Don't wanna let go. Look out the window, it's amazing. No, I should say I know you're on my side. Nothing like I
Thank you,
should
Ian,
know
for the
when
rose.
you call my name. Oh, why? I'm ready for this white Christmas. Take your favorite pajamas. Let's fall into love and dream. Love letter, babe, you know I love you a lot. Love letter, I can feel your heavenly heart. Let us know holding on. It's like sugar sweet and love. What a beautiful white world, so adorable. You know that I want is just one little thing. I know it's hard to see each other, but I'm hoping that you come and knock on my door.
There's nothing better than being home with you, and I would give my best. You know I'm all in.
My favorite season of the year. Fall to spring, bring me memories back. This white Christmas, take your favorite pajamas. Let's fall into love and dream. Love
ako ulit, ha? Magpapamiss na ako ulit. Wala na. No more Collie Live. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for, asa na? 34K hearts tonight for 39 viewers and for your time with me. Hindi, wait lang. Kasi, papahapyawan ko kayo ng schedule namin, ha? Wala pa yung schedule. Ay, bawal ko pala sabihin yun. Paano ba i-blur to? This is my schedule on the coming days. Kita ba? Ayan. Kita nyo, ang dami niyan. Wala akong pahinga, guys. So, susubukan ko pa rin mag-livestream. Wala ka nang pabisita sa Quadrips. Naubos na yung leaves. Hello. Ayan siya. Huwag naman ako siya. Joke lang. Later pa tayo mag-end. Mga 10. Kasi grabe yung schedule. So, susubukan ko talaga mag-live pa din. Para hindi nyo naman ako mamiss masyado at makapaglaro. Hindi kasi, gusto ko yung live streams ko is pahinga ko na. Leaves sa campaign. Yeah. Yun lang. Pahinga ko na kasi live stream eh. Kadaldalan ko kayo, ganun. Wala ko leaves sa... Naubos sa campaign. I see. Wow. Oh my gosh. Talaga? Sa ano? Saan? Sa BNK Live?
The Christmas tree, I'll be waiting for you, baby. Santa, that's my only wish this year.
Wait a minute.
Santa, that's my only wish.
Na-overtaken niya pala kami lang.
Underneath the Christmas tree, I'll be waiting for you, baby. Santa, that's my only wish this year. Make my wish come true, the magic in the air. Oh, the snow outside, it's falling tonight.
Yeah. Wait.
Love letter, babe, you know I love you a lot. Love letter, I can feel your heavenly heart. Let us know the love, let's make sure it's with the love.
Mga saran guys pala, normal na yun sa live na to. Minsan, pero alam naman ng lahat yung red line ng asaran. Alam, di ba guys? Baka mamaya kasi may mga ano dyan. Alam nila normal yung mga bangayan natin, guys. Yes, they know when to stop. Okay? Yes. It's not. Baka mamaya isipin nila okay lang yun. Mamaya may ano dyan. Nako, mahirap na. Wait a minute. Guys, pwede pala tomorrow sa sa theater. Basta manood daw ng choral competition. Yeah. For entrance. Yay! Amen. Okay. Wait lang. Multitasking yarn. Okay. Screenshot yarn? Oh, yes. Prevent, no? Kaya lang, oh, man. Ito, laloka ako pag wala si Go. Layo pa din ang event bukas. Oo nga, eh. It's okay if you can't go. Pero we're gonna, pwede naman siguro sa venue, no? We're gonna perform Love again. Lalo na iniisip ni Mash.
What a beautiful
Kasi, sinabi sa amin dyan, anong gusto mo isulat? Kahit anong gusto mo isulat, okay lang. Yung mga nakalagay dyan, ano? Yung kay Fame, parang TikTok. TikTok lyrics. Tapos yung kay Mashiro, kay Fenny San was like, message to us girls. And then, oo nga no, Mosh played. Yung kay Mashiro, Japanese ata na sulat niya. Tapos sa akin, kasi sinasabi nila sa akin na na dapat umiyak ka. Ito yung nasa isip mo. You wish to go back to the way it was before. So yun yung sinulat ko. I wish I could go back to the way it used to be before. Thank you, J Smile. Yung dulo lang. Kasi, ito yung, naiwan ko eh. Magaling ako magluto. Hindi ako chef, guys. Kasi nga Pero gusto ko kasi toasted. Ito lang, super toasted. Hindi naman siya sunog sa loob. Yun lang. Yung labas lang. Grabe kayo sa akin. Design yan. Tama, design. Sabi naman, nagluluto naman ako dati. Mga noodles, pancit canton. TikTok last month. Kaano mo katagal si Navian for that? Which one? Sub? Oh yes, pancit canton. Hadi ka. Past video. Tapos past vid ko. Tapos present. Ano yun? Past? Hindi, nag-scroll lang ako sa TikTok ko. Thank you. Nag-scroll lang ako tapos nanap ko yun. Nahulog ako. Tapos, ayun. Na-edit ko lang. Ito ba yun? This one? Layo, no? Layo ng old Coley sa Coley ngayon. But, still the same. She still has the same, passion and ambition. Nag-grow lang. Yeah. But she's still the same.
paper, so
nagulat siya na hindi pala totoo lahat ng yun. Tumatangkad ka nga pala. Ha? Hindi ah? Hindi nabutan ko si Collie with braces. Oh yeah, I don't think also Lemona. AOS video naka-TikTok ka. Saan? What if Atlas gumawa ng MV ng 9 single? What if? Bawal ata sabihin. But I will need your opinion on that matter. Yung question ni Mosh played was... Ano yun? Years of wala kitang kilala. Wow. Oh, yes. I'm old, man. I'm so old. Ne. Ang tagal ko na sa MNL pala, no? Tagal ko na sa MNL. What if center ka na PFC, tapos kasabay mo sked ng quad lips, what will you do or how will you pull it off? I will... Okay, I'm gonna be honest. I cannot split myself in half to do both. So, even if... Pero feeling ko, kung kaya naman na schedule isingit or like humabol, baka kaya naman. Then that would be okay. But if not, I would have to sacrifice MNL. Because for quad lips, 4 lang kami. Tapos mawawalan pa ng isa. So, I feel like I'd be able to pull it off naman for some schedules. Ayun. Yun lang. Ay, naswipe. Ay, wala. Lumipat si Chabu. Wala. Wala. Wala na yung ano mo. Meron kaya ditong top viewers? May na si Fim next year, January. Ah, you know? Yes. I'm confused. What is Gen 1 of Gen 2? Asan MNL 48 eh. So, first generation, sila po yung unang generation ng MNL 48. And then, sumunod po yung second generation, which is my generation. Paano ko ba explain yun? Parang ano lang, per year, actually not per year anymore. But it used to be per year, may dumadagdag po na generation. I'm first gen pala. First gen Kenkisei. First gen trainee, yes. How many gens? There's 5 generations na po. Handshake na tayo. Really? May handshake? Second viewer pa rin ako ka. Awit sa isa. Ah, BK. Really? Oh. I'll ask my source for that. Para hindi na rumors. So, 240 po na members overall. No. We don't maintain ano naman po the 48 members. 48 is a franchise. Not franchise, but it's a name. It's just a name. So, ngayon, this system, we graduate. Some of us graduate na if they feel like they want to graduate, or some of us suffered the death general elections. Ayun, we have general elections po na you have to vote for your favorite members. You have to vote for your members, for your favorite member, for them to be able to stay, for them to have a spot. Yes, in MNL 48. 8 members. So parang PBB, yeah, kind of similar, yes. In an idol group way. In a way, in a sense, yes. Dun lang sa votings, maybe, yeah. Pero hindi siya eliminations. Hindi siya, ay, ano yung may points, wala namang ganon. It's just, kung sino yung, who's gonna make it to the top 16, top, ganon. Ay, ba nang ba? Yung laptop ko yung Valorant. Oh yeah, water, wait. Ano ba ako mama? Nang gumana yung laptop ko pag nag-Valorant ako. Inopen ko anyway. Kain na kayo, kumain kayo. Stan, Quadlips, and MNL48. Oo nga, kailangan ko water. Naging ano din ako. Thank you, Kaiser. Naging conscious na rin ako sa kinakain ko. I'm growing old. Sana all sinigang ulam. Sinigang. Ate. Hala, nag-open yung Valo. Ba't ganyan yung itsura ng ano? What was that? Sinigang. That's where it doesn't matter. Pagka kumakain, ay, 4.3 gigabytes. Gigabytes. Ano ba? Wala, wag na. Bagong FC na naman. Adobo Nicole. Tosino. Uy, grabe kayo. Ninuman ako laging tinutoyo. La. Kapag tripan pa nga. Tampo Nicole. La. Hindi kaya. Karinderya na tayo, guys. Grocery Nicole, ganun. Ay, kuya. Thank you, Jella, for the 20. Fest pop ba yan? Thank you. Hello, good evening po. Good evening, guys. What's up? Hanap tayo. Ewan ko sa inyo. Hanap tayo ng mga Easter eggs.
I've been waiting for this time of year all year. Feel like all the world is so ready to love. It's perfect graceland.
Ganyan talaga magiging.
Don't
Actually, yan, lahat yan. Ganyan talaga kami. Although, wait. Guys, give me a few minutes. Wait lang. Guys, the live must be cut short. I'm so sorry. Kailangan ko tong asikasuhin right now. So, ala. Thank you, Mosh Blade. Thank you, Mosh Blade. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I have to finish this. Maybe tomorrow, kung... bukas. Pwede bukas. Thank you, PJ, for the heartbeat. Yes, it's nothing bad naman. It's just something I crammed for a little bit kasi na-busy ako sa quad lips. But, yes, thank you, PJ, for the love you so much. Thank you. Tomorrow, maybe around 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. na. Kasi tomorrow, pwede bukas, baka umiiyak kami by then. Yes, I'll go live tomorrow to comfort you guys. Okay? Thank you guys for supporting me always and everything. Really. 7 p.m. event New Year? Yes. But before that, may ganap pa ako. For something. Yes, sa umak kami tomorrow. Tara na. See you tomorrow, okay? Tara, mag-drill tayo saglit. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for 36 viewers left with me tonight. Your time with me and 46k hearts. Yippee! See you tomorrow, guys. Sabihin nyo sa akin kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. Sabihin nyo, mag-picture kayo. Kunyari, nasa event kayo. Picturean nyo yung pwesto nyo, tapos isa nyo sa akin sa IG para na alam ko kung nasan kayo, okay? Okay, play ko lang tong love letter para naka-play siya sa background.
Wanna let go. Look out a window, it's amazing. No, I should say I know you're on my side. Nothing like us, you know. When you call my name, oh why? I'm ready for this white Christmas. Take your favorite pajamas. Let's fall into love and dream. Love letter, babe, you know how.
Bye-bye! Thank you guys! Good night! Tulog kayo maaga kasi bagay pala. Pwede pala kayo magpuyat kasi Saturday na tomorrow. Thank you, PJ! Good night! Good night, guys! See you.
You know that I want is just one
Kaya mag-end.
little thing. Little thing.
Here. according to Gorilla Glass matawag na scratch proof. So, with that being said, 22,499 pesos is really such a decent price for this one. Third hour giveaway natin.
Ayan. Swerte ng mga pumapasok na. Kaya